boys and girls, it's Mrs. Nye. So today I'm going to read you a book. It's called It Looked Like Spilt Milk. And I know some of you might know this book already, but while I'm reading, I want you to imagine what some of these shapes are before I tell you what they are, okay? All right. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't spilt milk. Sometimes it looked like a rabbit, but it wasn't a rabbit. Sometimes it looked like a bird, but it wasn't a bird. So the next 2 pages, I'm going to read it. And while I'm reading it, I want you to close your eyes and imagine what the shape's going to look like. And then give a thumbs up if it was pretty close, okay? So close your eyes. That way you can visualize just like we do in the classroom. Sometimes it looked like a tree, but it wasn't a tree. All right, so imagine that. All right, now open your eyes. Give me a thumbs up if yours was close to what that tree looks like. Sometimes it looked like an ice cream cone, but it wasn't an ice cream cone. Oh, I was too fast. You got a freebie. There you go. All right, close your eyes. Sometimes it looked like a flower, but it wasn't a flower. All right, try to visualize what your flower looks like. Okay, open your eyes. Let's see if you're right. That's what this flower looks like. My flower looked a lot different than this one. Sometimes it looked like a pig, but it wasn't a pig. All right, get your vision. All right, let's see if it's the same. Sometimes it looked like a birthday cake, but it wasn't a birthday cake. All right, visualize what your birthday cake looks like. The shape of it. All right, open your eyes. There you go. See, my birthday cake in my brain had a lot more candles than one. Sometimes it looked like a sheep, but it wasn't a sheep. Sometimes it looked like a great horned owl, but it wasn't a great horned owl. Sometimes it looked like a mitten, but it wasn't a mitten. Sometimes it looked like a squirrel, but it wasn't a squirrel. Sometimes it looked like an angel, but it wasn't an angel. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't spilt milk. It was just a cloud in the sky. And that's the end of our book. So, this is a great book to remind me one of my favorite things that I used to do when I was little. I would go outside and I would get a blanket. I would lay on the ground, lay outside on the grass, and I would look up, and I would look at the clouds and try to imagine all the shapes I would see. So today was actually a beautiful day to do that, but I heard that it should be nice over the next few days. So I hope you have some time to do that. And maybe in your journal you can write to me and let me know some shapes that you saw. All right. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow.